Android, one of the best operating systems possibly created, way better than iOS. Definitely did not just trigger like 16,000 angry mobs in the comments. You know. Alright, so today we're going to be taking a look at Bass OS or Base OS. We're going to be installing it on a PC, Android on a PC. Well, let's download it and Rufus it. So we have PC installation and Raspberry Pi 4. That just happens to be the one that I have because I'm broke and I don't have Raspberry Pi 5. Well, Base OS 12.1 AIO. I don't know what this is supposed to mean. I want the tablet Go. Tablet UI only. Does this have Play Store? Okay, so none of these have Play Store, but it's okay. I can just get something like Aurora Store. Well, just enter the editor, blur out that email address. I agree. I request download. Alright, cool. I just got the... Alright, cool. So they just send you an email with the download link. Well, 13 minutes left. I think it's time for a time jump. Okay, it's finished downloading. If you were wondering, this video took many takes. Red Star wouldn't boot, and Hollow ISO wouldn't boot either. If this doesn't boot, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Base OS drive, plug one in. Alright, let's write Base OS to Ubuntu Custom ISO press E, 64 gigabytes. Format type ISO. Alright, I'll try DD. Yeah. Alright. Yes, download it all. Alright. Cool. Well, you know, if this doesn't work and I try DD mode and it works, I might go back to Red Star because Red Star is slightly more interesting. Then I try Red Star and DD. Alright, it's done. Let's go do the setup. Alright, cool, we're at the setup. Cause what better device to install Android on than an iMac? Let's just try it. Please work. Not plugged in. Sure. Camera, please don't. Camera battery, please don't die. Okay, yes, it actually shows up. Is this an error? Oh, it is not. Base OS installation. Cool. I don't mind wiping this. It's not a family computer or anything. It's kind of a little hard for you guys to see. Maybe if I dim the lights, it might help. Oh, you guys can't see that at all. Select partition. SDA1. That's the hard disk, right? It's 128 gigabytes, so I hope it is. Wait. No, SDA1 is probably the recovery partition. SDA2. 64. Format, partition, SDA2. I'd be overjoyed. Alright, time to wait for this thing to go. I kinda don't like it when screen is one color and then there's something in the middle of the screen that's a different color. Yeah, this camera really doesn't like that. Oh, graphical glitches? No, what is this? Tunes 2F2. Oh, chat. Do you want to install EFI Grub 2? Yes. Alright, it's happening. Come on, go. Preparing install for A and B updates? Sure, I'll update. I mean, doesn't look like I have a choice. Is it supposed to take this long? Or am I just impatient? Well, that's happening. Just about time for another time jump. Base OS Go is installed successfully. Run Base OS Go. Oh, it's not supposed to happen. We have the graphics driver. Oh, that's fast. That's fast booting. Once again, this camera hates having the color surrounding the entire screen and then something that's a different color. Something that's a different color in the middle of the screen. Okay. Yeah. Let's go to the setup. GC mode. United States English. English full. I don't have a license for it. Alright. Oh, it's loud. Gave me a heart attack. Turn that down, and I'm not gonna make a mistake that the Bringus man did and mute it. Aurora Store. Next. Well, I thought. Hello. We don't have Wi-Fi yet, do we? Let's get to Wi-Fi. Please tell me we have the networking adapter. Wi-Fi? Resetting internet. Man, I don't think we have the Wi-Fi drivers. If this doesn't work, I'm just gonna put some APKs on here. Wi-Fi on. Okay, I have one last resort, but I will have to unplug the rest of my setup. That's to the side, so that I can plug in. Hello? Please stay in focus. Alright, camera's having a bad moment. Well, I'm gonna go steal one of the outlets for my setup and plug in this router, which should turn Wi-Fi into Ethernet. Let's go ahead and put it up here so you guys can see it. Got the power cable into the router. I'm having a bra moment right now. The max power cable is plugged in sideways. And the outlet is sideways to a wall, so I couldn't plug this power adapter in. For a moment. Hopefully the Ethernet cord reaches. Alright, what I've done. Yeah, hopefully it reaches. What I've done is I've plugged it into a different outlet far away and just hope that the Ethernet cord reaches. Ethernet cord in. Holy crap, it barely just reaches. Do we have internet? No. Is the router powered on? No, it is powering on. Oh, waiting for it to power on. It's clearly communicating something already. Can't unplug it for now. Still, I can't show you. It's blinking red at me. It's angry. This setup's so precarious. I can't open my closet. Cool. Setup's precarious. Up. It's nice. It's blinking blue now. That's good. Let's plug it in. Get that Ethernet ASMR. Alright, plugged in. Let's see. Ethernet. Nice, nice, nice. Before anything, I'm gonna go into browser. Oh, Dominus. Can we get to Google? Yes, we get to Internet speed test. Sorry, this is the quietest keyboard I have. That's USB. Okay, well this is just Ethernet. This is just Wi-Fi converted into Ethernet using a wireless access point, but go. Also, we're in Thailand, so we don't get the best internet. Yeah, 20 megabits down. Not the best. What? Not gonna even get to test the up speed. Test again. Did it just give up? Did it really just gave up? Internet. Wi-Fi off. Let me unplug my USB drive. Do we? What's the home button? Because I'm just pressing escape and that seems to be the back button. Do we? Did it unplug itself? Oh, it did. What? Router turned itself. Oh, power cable was loose. What? Let me unplug it. No, I'm gonna wait for it to boot up again. Ethernet 2. So my setup is very precarious right now. The iMac is placed on its back with an object propping it up so that the reflection does not show my face when the screen is off. The keyboard is standing on top of the sideways Mac. I'm using my phone as a microphone. And the camera is kind of like a bring setup. Camera setup. Router has been booted back up. Let's get you more Ethernet plugging in ASMR. Alright, let's see. Ethernet. Yeah, Ethernet. We need to figure out what the home button is. Micro G. Google? Google account. Alright, cool. Let me try Internet speed test again because we kind of just gave. No. Alright, Aurora Store. Well, I've never used Aurora Store before. Well, what could it offer us? Oh, just has a bunch of apps. Screw it. Let's get Team. Oh, and it crashed. Alright. Do it. Let's get Team on an iMac running Android. Oh. This is the second time I tried to film that gag and it crashed. Alright, we want to install Timu. Cool. I'm gonna take the Play Store. I'm not searching. No, we cannot search. Imagine that'd be slightly annoying. Do we have? Oh yeah, we do have speakers. It blasted my ears off earlier. Yes, sure. Let's look at some Reddit forums. McDonald's, DoorDash. Screw it. No, I just can't install any apps. What the hell? Google Chat, that doesn't exist anymore. Okay, it doesn't seem like I can install anything. I'm gonna go to my I'm gonna go to my computer and get some ISOs. Alright, well, Indian Tractor Simulator takes 3 years to download. I just figured out that this has a camera app. Does it work? And will it work? And will I get face revealed? Okay, it doesn't work. Good. Oh, cool. Doesn't work. Let's see. You guys probably can't read this very much. Can we take a picture still? Let's see. Alright. Cool. Indian Tractor Simulator is finished downloading. Let's get her onto our Mac. Alright, does this thing have some kind of file explorer? Let's see. Neo Store. Well, before we check those apps out, Neo Store. What is this? More permission. Alright, there's probably some problems with this. Well, get cow. What? Either this calculator is wrong or I just had a brain fart. Set orientation. Continue. See that there. Disabled. Keep reverse. Oh. Flip the camera view upside down to see where I'm going. Yeah, luckily I've got. Nope. Why is it not helping me? It's not helping. Alright, luckily I could flip my camera view upside down because the brain is set up. Alright. Screen view. Oh! Alright. Screen view settings. Alright. Can you do portrait on this thing? You can. I can turn my Mac into a kiosk. Oh fuck. Oh cool, I can turn my Mac into a kiosk if I wanted to. Okay. Enough stalling. let's try CPU Z. Go. Windows leaving spirals. Let's get okay, get CBZ. Package installer. CBZ. What can we do? Intel Core i5 4570R. That's a CPU. 4 cores, x86. Oh, I didn't know that. But you know, that's probably why Aurora Store kept crashing. Got okay, but I don't care about any of these. GPU vendor, Intel. GPU renderer, Mesa, Intel. Iris. Pro graphics. GPU load 0. Device. Model Mac. Mac 14.1. I know Apple Inc. Board. Bliss. How does it know all this information? Like, is it just stored somewhere? Got Android version 12. That's an Android version. Yeah, the battery doesn't exist. Hey, this has thermal sensors? Oh. Alright. Cool. Indian tractor driving simulator now. Time for Indian tractor driving. What? It's probably 64-bit. Alright, that was anticlimactic. You would LD Linux. Windows did not leave that on there. And so cool, CPU Z was the only thing that we were able to run. Let's see if I could get something else to get here. Let's see if I can get anything else. Actually, at this point, I'm too lazy to go to my computer to go get an MP4. So, oh, I just realized there was a navigation button. So. I tried to get Bad Apple and it just crashed. It should have graphics acceleration. Let me try that one more time. Yeah, this thing can barely do anything. Yep, never mind. Getting MP4s is necessary. Alright, fine, we can do this again. Watching Bad Apple on an Apple iMac running macOS. Or not. Sure, gallery. Oh. Oh, okay. Oh. Can't play this video. Perm. This is not a good device for watching videos on. Can't do that either? What is this good for? Nope. Bro, I just want to watch Bad Apple on an Apple iMac running Android. And it's froze. Why? God, I gotta go get a. I gotta go get a video player APK now. So finished with this. Let me get a video player APK. You know, I said my camera overheated. Nope, actually the SD card ran out of space and I had to put in a new SD card. Please work, because that took me so long, and I just realized I took a picture of the setup and now it's recording over a picture of the setup. God damn it. Well, if this doesn't work, I don't know what. Player installer. You know what? That's it. I'm done with this. I'm so done with this. The only app you can get installed on your CPU Z. That's it. I couldn't even get a picture of a green screen to play Bad Apple on it. That's it. I'm not gonna bother anymore. Thanks for listening. Please subscribe.